In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a hyperlink in PowerPoint. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To begin, open your PowerPoint presentation where you want to add a hyperlink. This will be your starting point for the process. Now, click on the slide where you want the hyperlink to appear. This action will bring your focus to the specific slide you are working on. Once that's set, highlight the text or select the object that you want to turn into a hyperlink. By doing this, you are essentially choosing the target element for your link. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains all the options related to inserting different elements into your slide. With the Insert tab open, look for the Links group and click on the Hyperlink option. This will open a dialog box where you can specify the link details. In the dialog box, you'll see various options on the left side. Choose Existing File or Web Page if you want to link to an external URL or a file on your computer. From here, type the web address in the address field if you're linking to a website. If you're linking to a file, navigate through your folders to select the file. This step ensures that the hyperlink will direct users to the correct location. After entering the necessary details, click OK to confirm your choices. This action will finalize the hyperlink setup. Now you can see that the text or object is underlined, indicating it's successfully become a hyperlink. It's a good idea to test the hyperlink by entering presentation mode and clicking on it to ensure it works correctly. Finally, save your presentation to keep all changes intact. This ensures that your added hyperlink is preserved for future use. You've now successfully added a hyperlink to your PowerPoint slide, making it interactive and informative for your audience.